Hi and welcome to our lesson on multiplying decimals by decimals. Here we have 0.2 times 4. To multiply these numbers, we multiply them like whole numbers and make a correction afterwards. We first ignore the 0 and decimal point in 0.2. We think of it as 2 times 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. We put a decimal point after 8. However, this is 0.2 times 4, not 2 times 4. To make our multiplication 2 times 4, we made it 10 times larger. We moved the decimal point one place to multiply by 10. So our answer is 10 times too big. We multiplied by 10. So we need to divide by 10 to correct this. We moved the decimal point one place left to divide by 10. This is our answer. If there is nothing in front of the decimal point, we show this by writing a 0. 0.2 times 4 equals 0.8. 0.2 is 2 divided by 10. So 0.8 is 8 divided by 10. Here we have 0.3 times 0.5. We think of 0.3 as 3 and 0.5 as 5. 3 times 5 equals 15. We put in our decimal point after 15, ready to move it. We moved this decimal point once to get to the end, and we moved this decimal point once to get to the end. This is 2 jumps. We need to divide by 10 twice to get our answer. Earlier, we multiplied by 10, then multiplied by 10. So now we divide by 10 to get our correct value. The decimal point moves 2 places left. Remember to put a 0 in front of the decimal point if there are no units there. 0.3 times 0.5 equals 0.15. Here we have 0.6 times 0.7. We think of this as 6 times 7, which equals 42. This decimal point moves one place to become 6, and this decimal point moves one place to become 7. The 2 jumps right need to be corrected by 2 jumps left. We had times 10 times 10. So we must divide by 10, divide by 10. The decimal point moves 2 places and we put a 0 in front of the decimal point. 0.6 times 0.7 equals 0.42. Here is 0.04 times 0.03. We think of this as 4 times 3, which equals 12. Now we count carefully the number of places the point must move to get to the end. This point must move 2 places to make 4. This point must move 2 places to make 3. This is 4 jumps in total. We can move the decimal point in our answer 2 places, 1, 2. There are no other digits to jump across, so we write a 0 in front. We make a 3rd jump. To make our 4th jump, we add another 0. We multiplied by 10, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So we divide by 10, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. We move the decimal point 4 places and write a 0 in front. 0.04 times 0.03 equals 0.0012. Here is 0.05 times 0.09. We think of this as 5 times 9, which equals 45. This decimal point must move 2 places, and this decimal point must move 2 places. We must move our decimal point 4 places in total. Remember, write zeros in front if there aren't enough digits. We move 1, 2 places. We write a 0 in front to jump a 3rd time. We write another 0 to jump a 4th time. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps right, and 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps left. We move the decimal point 4 places and write a 0 in front. 0.05 times 0.09 equals 0.0045. Here we have 0.25 times 0.04. We think of this as 25 times 4, which equals 100. This decimal moves 2 places, and this decimal moves 2 places. So our decimal moves 1, 2, 3 places, and we write a 0 to make our 4th jump. We have 4 multiplications and 4 divisions. We move the decimal point and write a 0 in front. When there are only zeros at the end of a decimal number, we do not write them. 0.0100 is the same as 0.01. 0.25 times 0.04 equals 0.01. Here is 1.1 times 0.8. We ignore any decimal points and any zeros in front of them. We think of this as 11 times 8, which equals 88. We move this decimal point 1 place to the end to make 11, and this decimal point 1 place to make 8. We move the decimal point 2 places. We add a 0 in front of the decimal point. 1.1 times 0.8 equals 0.88. Here are some questions for you to try. Work out the decimal multiplications shown. Pause the video and have a go. Question 1. 2 times 2 equals 4. We move the point 1 place. 0.2 times 2 equals 0.4. Question 2. 3 times 9 equals 27. This decimal moves once. This decimal moves once. 0.3 times 0.9 equals 0.27. Question 3. 8 times 7 equals 56. This decimal moves twice. This decimal moves twice. The decimal moves once, twice. We add a 0 to move 3 times, and add a 0 to move 4 times. 0.08 times 0.07 equals 0.0056. Question 4. 2 times 5 equals 10. We move 1, 2 times in total. 0.2 times 0.5 equals 0.10, which is the same as 0.1. Thank you for watching. For further practice, more questions are available on our website.